references will be mentioned at the end of the video. Imam Mahdi and the signs that will precede him. The imposters, the coming of Imam Mahdi, is one of the major signs of Qiyamah, the Day of Judgment. As believed by Ahlus-Sunnah wal Jama'ah, he has not yet appeared. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud reported that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The world will not pass away before the Arabs are ruled by a man of my family whose name will be the same as mine." As-Sunan Abi Dawud, Hadith 42182. False claimants of Mahdi throughout history. Many individuals have falsely claimed to be Imam Mahdi. Muhammad bin Tumarat, a tyrant, executed and buried companions who denied his claim. Some Shia groups claim Muhammad bin al-Hasan al-Askari, who disappeared at age 5, is the Mahdi in hiding for over 1,000 years. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, founder of the Ahmadiyya sect, falsely claimed both prophethood and Mahdihood. Others in modern times, including a man from Manchester, have also made such claims. None of these individuals fulfilled the conditions mentioned in authentic hadith about Imam Mahdi. Signs that will precede Imam Mahdi. These signs serve as warnings, so Muslims are not deceived by false claimants. General turmoil and Fitnah Imam Mahdi will appear during a time of global chaos, civil strife, oppression, natural disasters, and longing for death will be widespread. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri reported that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He will be sent at a time of intense disputes and differences among people and earthquakes." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith 108982. The double eclipse in Ramadan. There is a weak narration from Daraqutni mentioning 2 eclipses in Ramadan. Scholars have noted this narration is not authentic and cannot be used as reliable evidence. The battle in Mina, an intertribal battle, will erupt in Mina, during which many Hajj pilgrims will be killed and blood will flow to the Jamarat. Amir bin Shawaib reported from his grandfather that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "In Dhul Qa'dah, the tribes will fight, Hajis will be looted, and there will be a battle in Mina in which many people will be slain. Their companion, Mahdi, will flee and be forced to accept allegiance between the corner and the maqam." Al-Fitan by Nu'aym ibn Hamad, Hadith 649-4. The Euphrates will uncover a mountain of gold. Abu Huraira reported that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The hour will not occur until the Euphrates discloses a mountain of gold. People will fight over it. 99 out of every 100 will die, and each will say, 'Maybe I will be the one to succeed.'" Sahih Muslim, Hadith 2894. He also warned, whoever is present at that time should not take anything from it. 5. The emergence of the Sufyani. Before Mahdi appears, a tyrant called Sufyani, reportedly from the descendants of Abu Sufyan, will rise from Damascus. Abu Huraira narrated that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A man will emerge from the depths of Damascus. He will be called Sufyani. He will kill children and rip open the stomachs of women. He will send an army toward a man from my family, Mahdi, but the earth will swallow the army before it reaches him." Reported in Al-Fitan by Nu'aym ibn Hamad. Check for authenticity, as narrations vary in strength. The emergence of Imam Mahdi is one of the major signs of the last hour, and he will only appear when the world is engulfed in chaos, injustice, and fitnah. It is crucial for Muslims to rely on authentic hadith and the understanding of the Ahlus-Sunnah wal Jama'ah to distinguish truth from falsehood. Many have falsely claimed the title of Mahdi throughout history, but none have met the conditions foretold by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As we await his coming, we must remain steadfast in our deen and avoid being misled by imposters. References: Sunan Abi Dawud, Hadith 42182, Musnad Ahmad, Hadith 1898, Sahih Muslim, Hadith 2894, Al-Fitan, Nu'aym ibn Hamad, Hadith 649, Al-Fitan, Nu'aym ibn Hamad, regarding Sufyani, Daraqutni, regarding the double eclipse, not authentic.